In this question, the diagrams of three types of muscles are given, which are labeled A, B, and C. And you have to identify the correct matching pair along with their location in the human body. So, figure A represents skeletal muscle fibers which are closely attached to skeletal bones. And in typical muscles such as triceps and biceps, striated muscle fibers are bundled together in a parallel fashion. B represents smooth muscle fibers which are present in the wall of the internal organs such as blood vessels, stomach, and intestine. And figure C represents the cardiac muscle fibers which are exclusively present in the heart wall. Hence, the correct answer is option D.